When using RCD360 Pro3 or 3S, some friends install cameras. The result found that the camera cannot be connected properly. There are typically three situations. The first case is this machine itself has two versions. One is a road opener. One is a closed road car. Did you buy the right one? Then the opener version. If you buy Guangdao car, it doesn't matter. We need to set up a simple one. Everyone, check this wiring. There are only 360 Pro3 and 360S. Only on top, it just has a line. When this line is closed, it is now opening the road. If you want to use the closed road car, you can cut it open. This has been achieved. If you want to reconnect it again, it has become a road opener again. Adjustable. First one, can't use it after installation. Second reason is power supply voltage problem. It is the power supply of the camera signal. We need to bring the train with us on the motorcycle for transportation. If you don't do accurate volt ops, it can't recognize the signal well. So let's check now. We're in the design. At the rear, two wires added. These include one ACC positive wire and another grounding wire. Two wires to be normal from the camera. Take electricity from here, no problem. It's usable, but we have friends. Maybe these two wires were not used, just elsewhere. It may also cause voltage mismatch. The resulting camera signal cannot communicate well. Third reason, yes, customers. When buying, camera installed in car. If from VW factory, needs RGB to AV converter, we sell this item in our store. Another type, he might be utilizing an aftermarket camera, but the secondary factory head camera, it is from our row of lights. From reverse light, proceed to obtain electricity. Highly probable, we only require one. Buy a timer like this. We also sell this thing. It is mainly to stabilize. Use reverse lights, or the voltage of the floodlight. After stabilizing like this, then it can be used normally. If there are other reasons, please comment. We can discuss. Thank you all.